let's get right into this tutorial. My hair is fading, so I'm gonna go in and get my conditioner, which I use the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner, I think it's called, and I mix it with whatever dye I'm using at the time. And my hair is blue right now, so I'm using this blue dye from Kiss Colors. I did a tutorial on this color in a previous video if you want to see it, so I'll link it in the description box, and it is also on my channel. I mix those two together, and I just make sure I don't put a lot of the dye in there because I'm not re-dyeing my whole head, but I put enough in there so that the conditioner is tinted, like it's a tinted conditioner in a sense. And I just go around the perimeter of my head and I try to touch up any areas that are fading. As you can see, the majority of my head is fading because I've been slacking on my routine. When you're using semi-permanent colors like this, you really shouldn't wash your hair or put a lot of water on it very frequently, and I've been doing that a lot because it's summertime. So since I know I've been slacking, I just try to make sure I do this whenever I have time during my wash day routine because I want to make sure that I'm refreshing my color. So I left that color in for 15 to 20 minutes, and now it's time to rinse it out. So I'm going to go in with my shampoo. I'm just going to use the shampoo that I got from TJ Maxx. It's for curly hair. It's been working out fine for me. I haven't had any issues yet. And I'm going to rinse my hair with cold water because I want to make sure I'm preserving the color, because hot water sometimes drains it out. And I'm just going to dry my hair with a towel. Now I'm going to go in with my ApHogee texture treatment. If you have bleached your hair multiple times or if you have processed it multiple times, this is your best friend. I mixed this again with the leftover tinted conditioner that was in my little bowl that I have, and I put it on my head. And today I only put it in for a minute because I didn't have any time, and that's the recommended time on the box. But normally I would leave that in for maybe 10 minutes, even 20 or 30 if I really wanted to let it sit. But today I just let it sit while I was cleaning up my little area, and then I'm going to rinse it out with cold water like I did before, so I make sure that my color isn't bleeding from the hot water. I don't know if you guys see a difference, but I definitely did. My curls feel so much better and softer, so copy it if you want the same effect. Now I'm going in with my As I Am leave-in conditioner. I swear by this. Makes your hair so soft, so just luxurious. And then I go in with a little bit of oil, and when I put both of those things in my hair, I kind of try to massage it into my scalp just because I'm trying to grow out my TWA just a little bit, and I want to make sure that I'm stimulating growth. Now that I'm done with my wash day routine, I'm going to go in and do a slick back. If you guys want to see a more detailed slick back routine, I have one on my channel, and I'll put it in the description box below so you guys can see it. But that's my whole routine. It's really simple. I just try to make sure that when I'm using semi-permanent colors to wash my hair in the sink, just because when I wash my hair in the shower, I have scalding hot water, and that not only dries out my hair, but it makes my color bleed faster. So if you're someone who likes to constantly put semi-permanent colors in your hair and you feel like your colors are fading too fast, maybe just try to wash your hair in the sink. Limit the amount of times that you actually wet your hair, and just try to preserve that color, sis, because it's easy to put it back in there, but you don't want to just look up 3 days later and your blue is looking blonde again because you've just been running it underwater and having it in hot water. And let's get into how vibrant this color is now. It definitely wasn't like giving dull, but it was fading. And when I do these little quick steps, and I make sure to limit the amount of water that I'm pouring over my head whenever I get in the shower, or just in my everyday life when I'm styling my hair, my color stays fresh. So I hope you guys take these tips and tools. The rest of this video is just me doing my simple slick back routine, so if you want to see the rest of it, stay tuned. this is my final look. In a second, I'm going to do a spin around after I put this mousse on my head to kind of seal the deal. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to see you guys again in another video. Bye.